Running out of a popular item costs you sales, so let us prevent that. In this video, you will manage low stock and keep counts accurate. Open the low stock screen from your inventory tools. This screen shows items that are running low right now. It also shows items that are already out of stock. At a glance, you see exactly what needs your attention. For each product, you set a low stock alert level. When stock drops to that level, the item shows up here. Turn on notifications so GOF POS warns you in time. This helps you reorder before you completely run out. When new stock arrives, you can restock in one click. Enter the new quantity and your count updates instantly. Best of all, your stock changes happen automatically. Every time you make a sale, that item's stock goes down. Every time you record a purchase, that item's stock goes up. You never have to adjust counts by hand for normal sales. This keeps your inventory accurate all day, every day. Accurate stock means better ordering and happier customers. In the next video, we will continue exploring more GOF POS features.